Hello friends, good morning to all. Today we are going to start or going to see the last point of the chapter 4th, that is communication in Maharashtra, and particularly we have to see print media, electronic media and social media. So let us see how is the role of communication in Maharashtra and which are the communication modes in Maharashtra. So let us see what exactly communication means. So this is the definition of communication. To send or to get the message from one person to another is called communication. As we know that this is an era of information and technology, and it is the need of time to get the information or to get the data or to get the knowledge easily and very faster, so that we can take the decision to go ahead. So communication is the fastest in the overall part of Maharashtra. So let us see which media or which medium is used to do the communication in the whole Maharashtra. So first one is print media. Print media is the traditional media of development. Communication is the closest to people who need message of development, like the farmers and workers. Such forms of media are participatory and effective. As we know that print means newspapers, journals, magazines, and whatever we can pamphlets, whatever we can whatever we can take the prints, all includes into the print media. So whatever we can print on the paper, that becomes a print media, and whenever we circulate it, whenever we spread it to the people, to the customers, then it becomes a media. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is a prominent stalwart of the pre-independence era and revolutionary leader who used his newspaper as a vehicle of communicating his ideas and ideals of the freedom for struggle. Kesari, which was established in 1880, was published in Marathi. As we know that Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a freedom fighter, and he fought against the British rulers, and he made the use of this print media very properly, and whatever his ideas was there, he spread it through his paper or through his media, and that newspaper was started by him, that is Kesari, which is very famous and which was very means popular in those days. So this is the first and foremost newspaper spread throughout the part of Maharashtra, not only Maharashtra but throughout the part of neighboring states. So print media is a means of mass communication in the form of printed publication. It comprises of magazines, newspaper, books, circulars, journals, pamphlets and periodicals. Print media is an incredibly important part of the marketing mix and can help businesses to engage their target audience and extend their reach to potential customers by investing in it. It means that whatever industrialist or businessmen wanted to spread their ideas or spread their products, it may be of agricultural products, it may be of vehicle products, it may be of any products that may be medicines and toys and many more. So it can be spread through the print media to the people, to the children, to the farmers, to the consumers, to the customers, and that's why print media is very very wonderful and very important so far the communication is concerned. There are various types of print media. First one is the newspaper. Newspaper are the most popular form of print media to explore your brand. You can choose from a wide range of different types of newspaper, including national, regional or local titles published weekly, daily or Sunday editions to cater to different target audience. As we know that whatever we want to do the ad, that is advertisement can be published and can be printed in the newspaper, and that can be spread throughout the part of community. And if we wanted to spread it properly and from house to house or from door to door, then we have to give it into the newspaper, because newspaper spread throughout the area, and particularly it can be spread in the remote area. because if there is a problem of electronic media, then newspaper is easily can reach to the customer or reach to the audience. And that's why newspaper is a very popular print media nowadays, and Maharashtra is using this type of newspapers. It may be daily, it may be weekly, or it may be Sunday. And as we know that there are various local newspapers as like Lok Satta, Times of Lok Satta, Maharashtra Times, Lokmat, Gavkari, Sakal, and many more. So these are local newspapers spread throughout the part of Maharashtra, throughout the part of rural area, and that's why people get some ideas regarding the incidents, regarding the whatever is going on throughout the part of Maharashtra. Next one is magazines. Advertisers can use magazines to target specific market segments. It offers extensive readership choices with a mixed content including food, sport, hobbies, fashion, health, and current affairs. Many magazines provide a coverage of specific industries that are published weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Audience can be reached by placing eye-catching, simple, and elegant ads in the magazines with well-defined geographic, demographic, or lifestyle focus, but cost a bit more. Magazines are little bit costlier than the newspapers uh, because they give the ad. These magazines are giving the ads of food, sport, hobbies, fashion, health, current affairs, and mostly it published in weekly or monthly or quarterly, or sometimes it may published annually, means once in a year. So magazines are spread throughout the part of Maharashtra. Many magazines are there in Marathi as well as in other local language, that is Hindi and English. So magazines are also one important media of the communication. Next one is banners. Banners are an effective print marketing tool to advertise new offers and deals of your business. Banners are lightweight and flexible and can be used repetitively at various public events and meetings, reaching a wider audience. As we know that whenever there is a many political meets and many political programs are there, that at that time banners are used for many purposes. Not only politicians but social workers and many government agencies are using banners for the publicity of anything. So banners are also one good media of communication with the people. And because banners are huge, banners are large, and it may be placed in the chowks or in the center of the city or on the side of the roads. So these are useful for the communication. Next one is electronic media. Electronic media are media that use electronics or electromechanical means for audience to access the content. Any equipment used in the electronic communication process, that is television, radio, telephone, game console, handheld device, radio, may also be considered electronic media. So whatever is electronically supplied or provided or electronically spread, that is called as electronic media. Television is the fastest electronic media which passes communication to masses. As we know that there is a television set in each and every house, in each and every family. Although they are in the slum area, even they have also various variety of good quality televisions, and they have also the cable connections and many more. And they have, nowadays various channels are there by which we can spread our ideas and ideals to the people or to the audience or to the customers. And that's why television is the fastest electronic media which passes communication to masses, because television is watched by many people at a time, and that's why it becomes faster. What are the advantages? Many areas people get educated through the media, where they get to learn many things from media about the politics, outside environment, etc. So simple example is there. Suppose nowadays there is a spread of corona and this is the second lot of corona spread, and second wave of corona spread, and how or what is the situation of corona in district wise, state wise, and nation wise, and what is the worldwide stage of corona, and what about the vaccination stage that is spread throughout the part of the world, throughout the part of the Maharashtra, through the television. Media like television is a good source for people to get updated through the electronic media. Electronic media makes people aware of worldwide things, as I already explained that what is going on in the world, and what happens in the world at that moment only, or in the fraction of second we can come to know what is going on over there. Greater opportunities you get through this media sitting at your place. This is an advantage of media. It is no need to go outside to go to find what is going on over there. We can sit at a place in our house, in our home, in a sofa, and then also we will get what is going on outside of the outside of the world. Firstly, people used to use radio for the news, but as the generation changes, the media generation also changes to television and other electronic devices. Before 20 to 30 years ago, there was no television, and there is a barriers. There was a barriers in the telecasting and programming and many more communication. But nowadays there is a spread of television, spread of communication, spread of electronic media. Also, through this electronic media you can get to see many cultural events going in world. Elder citizen and children get more knowledge through this media. Many people get a chance to do their career. So what is going on and what we have to do, whatever we want to do, that can be possible with the help of electronic media, because all the electronic media helps or support to do all these things, because all the laptops and mobiles and WhatsApp and many more things are there by which we can do the all the things in house only. Next is social media. This is the last part of communication in Maharashtra. Social media are interactive web 2.0 internet based applications. User generated content such as text, post or comments, digital photos or videos, and data generated through all online interaction is the lifeblood of social media. Whatever message, text message, whatever the comments, digital photos, videos, and whatever we generated, photographs, that all are under social media. And as I already explained that WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, all these things helps us to do the communication in the society, in the community very widely, more than the television even, because all the most of the people have mobile phones, cell phones, and laptop, and many more things to get communicate with the other people. Here is our list of 10 types of social media and what they are used for. Social networks connect with the people. Media sharing networks share photos, videos, and other media. Discussion forum share new news and ideas. Bookmarking and content curation network discover, save, and share new content. Consumer review network find and review businesses. Blogging and publishing network publish content online. Interest based network share interest and hobbies. Social shopping network shop online. Sharing economy networks trade goods and services. Anonymous social networks communicate anonymously. Means what? So all these are the ways, social medias by which we can connect with the other people. And as we know that although we are at home, but we can get anything or any material or any we can solve any problem living at home, because there are various ways of social medias by which we can interact with the people, interact with the companies, industries, offices, and channels, and many more. So I just want to give one example. Although there is a lockdown, then also we are getting parcel services, courier services, and Amazon is the company which provides all the things in the lockdown even. Then what it indicates? It indicates that there is a fastest way of communication through social media, and that is the way by which government of Maharashtra or Maharashtra state is getting benefits from the social media. It is completely spread throughout the Maharashtra. It is in the form of WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The revolution in the field of mobile is responsible for the development of electronic media. Within a fraction of a second, any message can be spread to many people by anyone. Mobile companies like Idea, Vodafone, BSNL, Jio, Airtel, and many more has contributed in the development of network. Whole Maharashtra is getting benefits of the same. So this is all about the spread of social media throughout the part of Maharashtra, and this is all about the communication of print media and social media and electronic media. So today we stop here. Thank you very much.